Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Milo milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 tablespoons of Milo powder, which is key for that distinct chocolatey malt taste. Next, grab 1 cup of cold milk. Whole milk works best for a richer, creamier shake. Finally, 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream will give your milkshake that perfect thick and smooth consistency. These basic items are all you need to start. Now that you have your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully pour the 1 cup of cold milk into your blender. Then, add the 4 tablespoons of Milo powder, followed by the 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for about 30 to 45 seconds. You want to make sure there are no powder lumps and that the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Your delicious Milo milkshake is almost ready to enjoy. Once blended to perfection, carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a little more Milo powder on top or drizzle with some chocolate syrup. A straw is always a good idea for this delightful treat. Remember, it's best served immediately while it's still wonderfully cold and refreshing. Here are a few tips to customize your Milo milkshake. Feel free to adjust the amount of Milo powder to suit your personal taste. Some prefer it sweeter, others less so. For an even colder and thicker shake, you can add a few ice cubes before blending. This makes it extra frosty and refreshing, especially on a warm day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Milo milkshake.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.